I want to tell you a story about a very small little company that set out to build wrist cameras for surfers.
Nicholas Woodman, welcome.
I want to tell you the story about this little wrist camera company. I want to tell you about GoPro. Wanted to document my experience for a surf trip that I was taking. And so I went to work on this concept that I've had for a wrist camera that I could wear while I was surfing.
Join me in welcoming Nicholas Woodman. Welcome, buddy.
Hi, Dave. Thank you.
You know, this is an amazing idea.
For the first time, the world has been able to capture and share its passions like never before. The Hero 3 camera, the most powerful way to capture and share this incredible experience that is your life.
This delivers images that are comparable to highly expensive professional cameras.
GoPro is a movement where more than ever before, people around the world are capturing and sharing their life experiences. Immersive, engaging footage of their life experiences.